Hello again. Good day, everyone. This is the Daily Dose. Welcome back to another Hot Wheels review, throwback review, and yeah, we will take a look at this beautiful Porsche here. So this Porsche is the Porsche 356A Outlaw. Now this one was part of the 2017 Hot Wheels Aircooled series, which also includes a lot of good but really underrated cars, like a VW Beetle and a VW Squareback. Those were really great, but I didn't think that set was really highly appreciated. But anyways, this Porsche right here is a beautiful car. I love how it looks. It is curvy, but it has that vintage look as well. But yeah, because this is a vintage car. And let's check out the tampos right here. It says 356, which means Porsche 356A. Castrol also is a sponsor on this one. It says Hoosier, which I think means Hoosier tires, if I am correct. So yeah, kindly comment it down below if I am wrong and correct me on that. So here's the front view of the car. No headlight tampos though, but it has some detailing right here. Love the air vents right there. You can check out that what you call this pattern, honeycomb pattern. Taillights, so no details whatsoever at the back. You can see the exhaust right there, and it is part of the base, which is of course a metal base. So this one has rubber tires, and I love the rims on this car. So top view here, not much, but anyways, a beautiful Porsche 356A Outlaw right here. Beautiful casting. And by the way, check out that gas tank cover also right there. Yeah, pretty awesome. They added a little detail right there. Anyways, that concludes our review of the Porsche 356A Outlaw, part of the Hot Wheels 2017 Air-Cooled series, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and give me your opinions about this car. Do you like it or not? And yeah, what can you say about this one? So comment it down below. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye guys. Peace out and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye guys.